Hey, we're gonna unbox a Midea whole house fan or something? Not sure. 2-in-1 turbo heater plus fan, high performance aero blades, 2 heat, 2 fan settings, up to 75 degrees pivot, digital adjustment thermometer, and thermal overheating protection. All season use. So yeah, it says 1-year warranty. Got this from Walmart for around $40. This says used or clearance. So I think you can still find it online, but not on clearance. So yeah, here's the boxes side. Here's some info on it, which space are right for you. This unit. Everything's good. Heat quickly. Heats entire room. Half. Everything's good. Easy to carry. Space savings. Quiet. Sort of quiet. Not super quiet. Directional, pretty good. So yeah, there's that side. Here's the Spanish side. Here's the top. Whoops, sorry about that. Here's the top. Same thing, LED display, just says right there. There's the other side. Let's see if I can get more light. Okay. So yeah, here's the bottom. If you want to call out and contact them. So yeah, cut it up already, so it's easy for me to open. So yeah, let's see. Instructions. Let's see. Instruction manual. Take a look at that after. Here it is. Comes with a bag, small bit of plastic. There's a power cable. 2-prong, so not 3-prong. Let's see. Let me just turn this open. 3-prong. Unwind this so I can plug it in. Like and subscribe. It helped me a lot. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Hopefully I still have this. Here's the cable. So let's plug it in. Beeps on you. Beeps at you when you plug it in. Here's the front. Looks like there's a light. Tell you is it on. Also there's a power. Tell you it's on. So here's the side. There's it standing. There's the back. Let's see what it says. Here's the info if you want to read it. Turbo 2-in-1. Heater plus fan. Turbo. In Spanish. And then model number. Voltage. Made in China. Serial number. Here's the bottom. Plastic power cable. So yeah, let's see. Here's the on button. Heater. It's already warm. And then I turn it to low. And then lower heating, I think. And then fan 2 is blowing air. There's 1. Fan setting 1. And then here's the temperature, which is on fan setting. And there's a timer. It says 0 hour, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour, 7 hour, 8 hour. 0 back to 0. Turn it off. And then there's that heater, and then you could change it to temperature you want. And then when you looks like when you shut it off, that's weird. So when it's shutting off in the heat setting, there's a timer to blow out all the hot air. And then here is, there's a handle right here. Also adjustable, so you can blow this way, and it clicks. You can't bend it down more, turn it down more. 75, so there it is, almost up. So, is there protection? Here's a heater. There's no protection. So it just blows. That's stupid. At least it's not super hot. So it's 95, not super hot, and just blowing heat. Yeah, see? What the fudge? There's no protection on this. There's no safety on this. The fudge. And then shut it off. There's the seconds off. It blows out all the heat. Yeah, I don't know. What happens if somebody knocks it over? What the fudge? Okay, let's see. Then it's off. Tells you power still on. Let's go through the manual. Maybe here's a manual. Go through warning safety. Warning safety. Power ratings. Here's a power rating. 120 volt, frequency 1500. For the low fan is 20 watts, high fan 30 watts. Heater low 600 watts, that's pretty low. Heater high 1500. So if you could find a generator, power or electric generator or battery generator that can run 600 watts, this could run it. So let's see, safety grill, base, pilot indicator. Oh, so it's on. Control panel. Here's the control panel stuff. Temperature settings, 45 to 45 to 95 Fahrenheit. Modes. Let's see. There's a tilt. Protection when temperature sensor has a short circuit or open circuits. Regarding the mode of a temperature sensor, the circuits were open circuit, digital F, E, F, or E will display flicker. So there's a warning. Safety protection in the starting state. The room temperature is above 150, it would turn off. Okay, so if it turns 122 Fahrenheit, it will turn off all the output systems and it'll display FF. So there is a safety protection. So if it's like on the floor and it hits 122, it'll shut itself off. Okay, so it's the unit in this working mode of internal temperature will exceed the thermal and it'll shut itself off. Okay, that's cool. Okay, stop timer. Right there, start timer. It says 8 hours and maintenance, troubleshooting. Check whether outlets are working. Cleaning and maintenance. Turn off heater, unplug it, cool down, dry cloth, clean exterior. Do not use any cleaning agents. Do not immerse in water. So yeah, that's it. Trademark, data production, and then Spanish. So yeah, let's see. Let's see if you can look in the inside. Let's see if I can turn on the light. So yeah. Can't really tell on the inside, but here's the back. You can see there's like, can't really see. So let's see. There's like little wires that heat up, I think. That's where the heating coil is. And then the fan just blows it out. So yeah, that's it. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Help me get more subscribers, and then I'll do more reviews and more things. Thanks for watching. See you guys.